Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your schedule with Calendly, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. You can sign up using your email or connect through Google or Microsoft accounts. Once you are logged in, you'll see your Calendly dashboard. To create your first event, click on the Event Type button. Choose the type of event you want to schedule. You can select a one-on-one meeting, group event, or collective event. After selecting an event type, fill in the event details. Input a name for your event that clearly identifies its purpose. Set the duration of the meeting, such as 30 or 60 minutes. Choose your availability by clicking on the When Can People Book This Event section. Here, you can specify days and times that work for you. You can also set custom hours for specific days if needed. After setting the availability, scroll down to set up notifications. Decide if you want email reminders sent to both you and your invitees. You can also add other integrations if you need, like Zoom or Google Meet. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, click Save and Close. Now you'll see your new event. To share your scheduling link, click on the event you just created. Copy the link provided, and you can share it via email or social media. When someone clicks your link, they will see your available time slots. They simply choose a time that works for them and fill out any required information. Once booked, both you and the invitee will receive email confirmations. You can easily manage your schedule by returning to the Calendly dashboard. If you need to make changes, click on the event type and edit as necessary. In case of conflicts, Calendly can automatically adjust your availability. To integrate Calendly with your calendar, go to the Integrations section. Connect your Google Calendar, Outlook, or other options available. This ensures all your appointments are in sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.